You can buy 1 kilo of beef around 400 Egyptian pound. 20 pound, you can buy your breakfast. You can buy a lot of tameya. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about Egyptian money. These are the Egyptian currency, guys. So I'm gonna show you one by one each currency. If you are planning to visit Egypt or to live here in Egypt, you must watch my video so you will get some ideas. Let's check this out. So let's start, guys, with the 1 pound. This is the 1 pound here in Egypt. It's written in English, 1 pound. And of course, Arabic here. And there's some written words, I think, here in this side. So the color of it is gold and silver. The other side of it, it has the image of their king. Wahid Gini, 1 pound, guys. Next is 5 pounds. We have here, it's written in English, the Central Bank of Egypt, 5 pounds. And it has the images of their ancestors. You can also see these images, guys, in the pyramids, 5 pounds. Here in the other side, it's Arabic. They have also this image of the mosque. Here is Arabic. Yeah, and the color of it, it's like grayish, bluish. So this is 5 pound, Kamsa Guinea. Next, guys, is 10 pounds. So in this side, it's written in English. Central Bank of Egypt, 10 pounds. And it has the image of the pyramid. And this one of their ancestor too. And this image of the mosque. In this side, it's written in Arabic. So it has also the image of the mosque in here. Some signatory here. And the color of it, it's like orange and golden color. This is 10 pound, Ashara Guinea. The material of this one, guys, is different than the 5 pound. See, as you can see, this is like a paper. And this is polymer. Yeah, it's more durable, guys. Next is 20 pound, guys. It's also written in English here in this side. Central Bank of Egypt, 20 pounds. As you can see, it's the same with the 10 pound, Yani. They are very identical, the design. Look at the image of the pyramid on this. Just the king of them are different, and this some kind of army of them. Yeah, and the color of the 20 pound is more closely with the 5 pound. Yeah, it's grayish and bluish, guys. 20 pounds. So in this side, it's Arabic. Of course, there's mosque. And it's written also in Arabic numbers. I just noticed most of their money have the mosque images. Yeah, it's understandable. Yeah, because it's a Muslim country, guys. So it's 20 pound Ashrin Guinea. Next, guys, it's also 20 pounds. I think this is the old one, the old design of the 20 pound. See, it's also have these images. Same with the pyramids in their army before. Yeah, and this side is the mosque. It's Arabic, written in Arabic. Let's check this 20 pound, the new one. It's a different material, guys. This is like a paper, the old ones. While the new one is polymer. So it's the same mosque. The image, it's the same mosque. And this, they just change it a little. And the size of it, the new one, the size is smaller. The old ones, guys, it's bigger. See? But these two are still 20 pound Ashrin Guinea. Next is we have 50 pounds. This is 50 pounds. It has both here and this their palace. 50 pounds. Central Bank of Egypt. The font of this 50 pound is different. The font of this are the same from 5 pounds to 20 pounds. They are same font. But here in 50, they change it. They are not uniform actually. This logo, you will find it also in Luxor, guys. And this is Arabic. Of course, there's mosque. Yeah, and this color is like more on brown, brownish purple, and mix of gray. 50 pound. The material of it, it's like a paper as well. As of now, I just noticed the two polymer, the 20 pounds and the 10 pounds. The material. 50 pound. Hamsin Guinea. And we have here the 100 pound, guys. In this side, it's Arabic. Yeah, of course, there's a mosque. 100 pound. Here it's written in English. Central Bank of Egypt. 100 pound. And this is one of the king. It's also in the pyramid, guys. This is 100 pound mid-Guinea. Yeah. And the last one, guys, is the 200 pounds. The higher currency here in Egypt is 200 pounds. So, of course, there's mosque. It's Arabic. So, this like golden color in here, the 200. The color of 100 and 200 is very identical too. So, pounds, 200. Central Bank of Egypt, 200 pounds. So, there's some birds in here. This is some of their king as well. Ancestors, guys. Yeah. As you can see, guys, they are identical. Yeah, the 100 pound is little bit more lighter. And the 200 pound is little bit mixed with the yellow and brown. 200 pound. Mitin Guinea. So these are all the Egyptian currency, guys. 5 pound, 10 pounds, 20 pounds. So the 20 pounds, it has 2. And 50 pounds, 100 pounds, and 200 pounds. 1 pound, of course, guys. Now, I don't think that I missed something. If I missed something, so guys, you can write it in the comment. So these are all the Egyptian currency. The maximum currency, the higher currency, guys, is 200. The best thing here, guys, with the Egyptian money, they don't add the photos or the image of their former presidents, you know. It's just the mosque with their kings, but not the president. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Oops, wait. Just for your information, $1 is equivalent of 48.15 Egyptian pound as of today. So, if you are planning to live here in Egypt, just to give you some idea for the prices as well for the food, you can buy 1 kilo of beef here around 400 Egyptian pound. And if you have 20 pound, you can buy your breakfast, a good meal. You can buy a lot of ta'amiyah. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Please don't forget to click like and share. Bye-bye!